Welcome to Crofts Estate Agents virtual video tour. I'm here today at number 7 St Catherine's Court in Grimsby. So I'm just outside the property. It's tucked away in this lovely quiet little cul-de-sac. I'm just going to show you whereabouts it is in comparison to the rest of the cul-de-sac and the road that it leads off of. So just at the bottom is Peterhouse Road, and then coming into this cul-de-sac with off-road parking, and tucked away in the corner is this lovely 2-bed end terrace property. So what we'll do is we'll head in to the garden first of all, just while the weather's still on my side, and then we'll head inside before concluding the video. So there is a door just to the side here which brings you into the living room, but what we'll do, we'll head round the back through the gate into the garden and then in through the conservatory. So it's a reasonable sized garden, mixture of patio and lawn there. Space for a few plant pots, or you could even create a flower bed along the side of the fence by maybe putting some sleepers in. There's also a shed at the back for a bit of outdoor storage. I'm just standing towards the back of the garden, and you can see the rear elevation of the property, the conservatory added on for additional internal space. So we'll head inside now. So currently occupied as a dining room, but again, like many conservatories, it has multiple uses. It's good size. You can squeeze in, well, you'll easily fit in a 4-seater table or get a 6-seater in here if you wanted to. Potentially you might just want to enjoy it as a nice little additional snug or sitting room. Now, at back of the property, just off the conservatory, is this modern kitchen, installed as early as 2017. It's lovely under-counter lights, integral oven with induction hob, and you've got the extractor fan there, and also the composite sink with draining board. I'll pan round to the other side. Got a little additional amount of cupboard space there with worktop space and room for a freestanding fridge freezer. Effectively, this property is ready to move into and will be ideally suited to a first-time buyer. Potentially an investor may wish to snap this up, given that it's reasonably priced, certainly priced to sell, and they do rent well in this area. So this is the living room. Excellent size with room for 2 or 3-seater sofa there. And you'll get a single sofa here with your TV in the corner. And you've also got an additional amount of heating and electric fire there. Just pan round so you can see how it opens up into the conservatory and kitchen, as well as the rest of the space in the lounge. And just to the side, as I mentioned, is the side door if you wanted to come in this way rather than coming through the back. So what we'll do, we'll head upstairs before concluding this video tour. What we'll do, we'll start with the first bedroom, which you're greeted with at the top of the stairs. Both bedrooms are certainly of a good size. I mean, this one, as you can see, fits a double bed easily. Behind the door, got more than enough space for some cupboards and chest of drawers. The second bedroom, which is currently occupied as an office at the moment. Again, good size, and you've got your airing cupboard there. But this one will take a double as well if you needed it to. And then finally, this modern bathroom suite, which was replaced as early as 2019. We've got lovely fitted bath with overhead shower, wash basin with vanity unit and toilet. Modern tiled flooring, as well as tiled walls, and a radiator just behind me, or behind the door. So all inquiries can be made by contacting Crofts Estate Agents via the Cleethorpes branch on 01472 200 666.